This allergy season in Cedar Rapids, Novak Heating, Air and Duct Cleaning wants you to breathe easier at home. Many people focus on outdoor allergens, but indoor air can be just as irritating. Common culprits inside include dust, pet dander, mold, and even pollen that sneaks in from outside. Volatile organic compounds from cleaners or paints can also pollute your air. All these irritants can linger in your home's ductwork, making allergy symptoms worse and impacting your comfort and health. So, how can you improve your indoor air quality? Start by regularly replacing air filters, cleaning ductwork, and using high-efficiency particulate air or HEPA filters. Ventilate with exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms to reduce moisture and airborne particles. Keep humidity between 30 and 50% to prevent mold and dust mites. Vacuum with a HEPA vacuum and wash bedding weekly in hot water to reduce allergens. And remember, a well-maintained HVAC system is essential for filtering allergens and improving airflow. For professional duct cleaning, HVAC maintenance, or tailored air quality solutions, trust Novak. Call Novak Heating, Air and Duct Cleaning at 3193-644-626 to schedule your service and start breathing easier today.